Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Genshin Impact connection failed on PC. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what I suggest you to do here is to open up settings, and on settings should be here network and internet. Select that, select network, advanced network settings and network reset, and reset your network. Press this button and restart your computer. If you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put your Wi-Fi passwords again. If you're using Ethernet, you're good to go. You don't need to do here nothing. And while your computer is restarting, I suggest you to also restart your router as well. And then you need to look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, then you need to go to network and internet again, advanced network settings. Then here you should see the internet that you're using, Ethernet, Wi-Fi, real doesn't matter. Expand this option here, arrow down button, then select more net adapter options, select internet protocol version 4. And here you need to select use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server you need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server you need to write 8.8.4.4. Apply the changes, restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, another thing that I suggest you to do here is to allow Genshin Impact through Windows Defender Firewall. Maybe you did not allow it, and for this reason your game is not working. So you just need to go to Windows Defender Firewall. Then you need to press allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Then select change settings. Then select allow another app. And then here press browse. Then you just need to go where your game is located. For me, and probably for a lot of you, is on disk C program files. Then should here Genshin Impact. And then you need to add launcher exe file. And after you add launcher exe file, press add. I already did that, so I cannot do that again. And then you need to add another file, be on Genshin Impact folder, then go to Genshin Impact game. Then here it will be Genshin Impact exe file, add as well. And again, press add, and then go browse. Then go on Genshin Impact game. Then go to Genshin Impact data. And on Genshin Impact data, it should be here, plugins, and then you should see ZF game browser, add it here as well. Press add, restart your computer, and the problem should be fixed. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.